I still been on the hunt trying to find y'all some good Haitian food in the ATL. Boy! My friend Candace, who also does videos on here, has been telling me, Davey, you gotta go check them out. So, we're gonna check them out, baby. Some Haitian oxtail, some salad russe, some Haitian rice and beans, aka zircole, some fried plantains. I've never been here before, so I'm really excited to try it, man. But it looks good. But do that thing taste good, though? We don't know. We finna see. We're gonna go right into the rice. That's some flavorful rice. That rice is flavorful. That salad russe. Now, if you don't know, out of all Haitian food, salad russe might be my top 2. And it's probably not 2. Mess this up now. Let's see. Okay. They talking to me very nice right now. You gotta get a bite with the salad russe, with the rice. Check it out. They doing something very nice. Now, these plantains, not gonna lie, they're not gonna have that crunch to them. I can already tell. Okay. We ain't gonna worry about that. Let's get into these oxtails though. They jelly, so we know it's tender, but we're gonna check in for the flavor. Wait a minute, boy. The perfect bite right here. We got some of that oxtail, that rice and beans, and some of that beet and potato salad. Boy! Got me sold by having the beet and potato salad. Not too many Haitian restaurants serve these at their restaurant. So these right here, I already put them like, yeah. We got some Haitian stewed chicken, some ziri jonjon, and that beet and potato salad again. Let's go in for that ziri jonjon. That chicken look tender, boy. Yeah. Always gotta try what the pickles and bun is hitting on. We already know the bun is not too crispy. Well, let's see what the pickles talking about. The pickles is very flavorful, not too spicy. I like it. All right, now you know we gotta go on for the perfect bite. We got the ziri jonjon, the beet and potato salad, the stewed chicken, and some pickles. Overall, I love the stewed chicken. I love the beet and potato salad. I love their rice and beans. I love the oxtails. But the ziri jonjon for me wasn't hitting that much. It's not bad. I feel like it just wasn't all the way very nice. But everything else, very nice. Now make sure y'all go show them some love. I'm gonna put all the info in the caption below and how to order and everything. Let's try this juice though before we go. I think it's pineapple ginger lemonade. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. It's refreshing as hell, like refreshing as, yeah, very nice. Peace.